Hey, so I went to Whole Foods today and I grabbed the meal plan that everyone's always talking about. It's a family of 4. It's $35. Look at all this food. 35 bucks from Whole Foods. So I wound up getting sweet potatoes, this like chicken dish that's, I don't know, it's kind of like a sweet and sour kind of chicken. I got this beets, I don't know, beets and something. I mean, I love beets, so I don't even know what it is. And then I got salmon. So I'm gonna take a little sprinkling of all of this. I'm gonna heat it up for my dinner and I'm gonna let you know what I think of it. So what's really great about this, it comes cold. I mean, you see this tray, it's supposed to feed a family of 4 and it comes cold and then you get home, you pop it right in the oven. Now, obviously, I'm not a family of 4, but this is perfect for meal prep. So I'm gonna actually, I'm so tempted to just, I'm gonna try the beet. It's cold, but I love beets though. You have to be a beet lover. All right, let me plate this up for me. Okay, we're gonna do a little sweet potato. The sweet potatoes. I love roasted sweet potatoes. Like, it's one of my favorite things. And sweet potatoes is a superfood. I'm gonna take half of one of the salmon fillets. The guy said you're supposed to get all the same protein, but he let me do 2 proteins because, you know, he was nice. So I'm gonna do half a piece of salmon. Salmon cold is good. All right, I'm gonna take a couple of little pieces of chicken, and then I'm gonna do beets. This all looks really delicious, actually. He gave me hella beets too. Oh my god. All right, so here's my portion. I got some avocado for the side, and I'm gonna go heat this up. I'll be right back. Just so you see, like, this is what's left. And I took a big portion. Okay, all heated up, so let's give it a go. I'm gonna try the sweet potato first. It's very hard to mess up sweet potato. For me, it's got like a spicy Cajun-y pepper flavoring. I'm gonna take a little bit of the salmon. Now, I always eat my salmon with avocado, but it's a basic salmon, no avocado. Very, very good, very good. Okay, let's try a little bit of this chicken. Chicken was the wild card. Now, the chicken flavoring is really good. It's kind of spicy. The texture's throwing me off though. Like, okay, that was fun. I think I got like a weird end. That's really good. Chicken breast. Got like a sweet and sour kind of flavor to it. And tried the beet already. Beet's really good. All right, highly recommend. Seriously, meal prep, easy babes. Check that out. I'm gonna chop a little tiny piece of bread. I'm gonna eat the rest. You need to check out Whole Foods.